Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to Sun and Moon Academy. And today we're going to talk about the 24 Prakritis that are within you. And this is an important number. 24, we'll see why that's important later on, maybe in the Jyotish course. However, I want you guys to get familiar with this. So we're going to go through it quickly. However, I don't expect you to get everything. Just kind of see what's going on, and we're going to use this diagram and refer to it from time to time. So it's important for you to understand this. So at first we have Avaktya. So Avaktya is the uncreated. It is the unmanifested. So before you even take form, you're in this state of equilibrium where the three gunas, sattva, rajas, and tamas, are all together and all one. So this is number one. This is the first Prakriti. And then you go down to density, and then you get your buddhi or your mahat, which is your intelligence. This is different for everybody. Everyone has a different kind of intelligence. So now you're in the manifested. So this is the second form. Then you go down to ahamkara, which is also the ego. This is your sense of me, myself, who you think you are. And then this descends down to your mind, which is number 4. And this is sattvic in nature, meaning it's of a higher quality. We'll get to the gunas later. Just follow the numbers for now. Once we go down to the mind, we go down to the organs of perceptions, which is also known as the Gyan Indriyas. And the 5 Gyan Indriyas are ears, skin, eyes, tongue, nose. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the Gyan Indriyas, we get the Karam Indriyas. So we use these organs of perceptions to go to the organs of action, which is mouth, arms, legs, excretory, and reproductive. So 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now from the Karmendriyas, we go to the Tanmatras. The Tanmatras are the subtle elements. And these are universal. Everything has this. So, and they're also connected to the 5 bhutas, which is the 5 elements. So from sound, we get space, which is the 15th one. And then from touch, we get air, meaning when you touch something, there needs to be air present for you to feel something, for the touch to be felt. This is 16. From form or vision comes fire. There needs to be fire for you to be able to see something. There needs to be light. That's 17. Taste. So if there's no water in your mouth, you can't taste anything, which is 18. And smell is earth. You need to have something, something solid for you to be able to smell it. Oftentimes, water doesn't have a smell. It has to have something more than just water in it. 19, and then 20, 21, 22, 23, and then 24. Now, I know it says Prakriti here. This is also known as the Purushas. 24 Purushas, 24 Prakritis, depending on which school of thought you're resonating with. However, this is the way to look at your body and to look at your mind as well, because the mind is part of that. Now, the best way to catch disease is actually at the Ahamkara level. There's a great saying in Gurmukhi, which is Home rogna katiya o vedana laiya, meaning don't employ a doctor that can't cut your ego or that can't get rid of your ego. Your sense of self, your ego, is what's creating all these lower density issues or lower density rajas vikriti, as it says, or the gunas. It's a play of the gunas, really, the ego. So when you transcend the three gunas, can you truly transcend disease? However, that's a more philosophical issue. We won't get into that. We'll get into the real nitty gritty of how to tackle disease on all the subtle levels and the denser levels. This is just something to remember and to come back to from time to time. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please forgive me for any mistakes, and I'll see you guys on the next one.